I love to do courses in theater in English, and I'm going to be doing a small workshop at our next immersion course in Cambuquira, September 5th, 6th, and 7th. This is going to be great. It's an immersion course in English, so we'll do all sorts of things in English. We'll have photography, we'll have dancing, we'll have sing-alongs and music, great conversations. And a little workshop I'm going to do in theater to help you unblock your English. Doesn't that sound great? Look, we're really waiting for you. We don't do these courses all the time, our immersion courses in English. And when we do, we really want you to come along, because this is where you'll take a big leap forward in your English. Come and join us. 5th, 6th, and 7th of September, our Grandi Hotel Trilogia immersion course in English. Looking forward to seeing you there.